My daily routine. In the morning. In the morning, I wake up at 4:20 a.m. to go to work. I take a shower, then brush my teeth and eat something. I leave the house at 5:10 a.m. I go to work on my bicycle and arrive at 5:20 a.m. to open up. I work from 5:20 a.m. to 2 o'clock p.m. where I oversee the store and check purchase invoice. In the afternoon. In the afternoon, I leave work and ride my bike home. I arrive at 2:20 p.m. I have lunch and 2:30 p.m. prepare my clothes and turn on my computer. I study, work on assignments, or play on my computer until 5:20 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., my friend picks me up on his motorcycle and we head to the university. At 5:50 p.m., I smoke a cigarette while waiting for some classmates to arrive before enter class. At night, I have classes from 6 o'clock p.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. with two subjects split into 2 whole sessions. After university, I go home, have dinner, and work on assignments until 12:30 a.m. or 1 o'clock a.m. Answers made no progress and prepared for the next day. I go to sleep.